Today we're going to be talking about ugly key bezels. So how many of you guys have a nice restored air-cooled Porsche with this ugly key bezel that's made out of plastic that just looks out of place? Well, we're going to go from that to something new in a matter of seconds. So here are some of our key bezel that we manufacture here in-house. They're all made out of 6061 billet. So this is your stock one. And you see how ugly this is. It's very simple. We're going to show you how to install it. But we have a couple of different options. We have red 6-hole, red smooth. We have a 6-hole that is raw. We have a 6-hole that is anodized, gives it a matte look. Black 6-hole, anodized. And this is probably our most popular one, which is just a direct replacement for the stock one, and then a raw finish. We also manufacture our version 2, which we have a lot of different options on our website. We make these. You can even send us a swatch of your material, and we will cut it out and then place it inside. You would turn this. If you get it very tight, you can actually turn this so that it's actually perfectly flat, or I guess horizontal or vertical, depending on how your stitch is. You have leather ones, Pepita, red Pepita. I believe this is Carrera. Porsche, we have blue Porsche, tan Porsche. We have a number of assortments for these. They're all made out of 6061 billet, and we do this all in-house. We'll show you how to install it. Come with me. So, you've just paid thousands of dollars to get your interior done, such as this 1980 Weissach package SC, and you have this ugly key bezel. Pretty simple. You unscrew this. Most of them are pretty loose. And remove it. Take the one out of the package. Maybe clean that up a little bit if you want. Be careful not to cross-thread it. And now your bezel usually will match your Speedo or your instrument bezels. Simple as that. And now you're ready to go. That's it, and you can see how much better your interior looks just with a simple piece. It is not costing an arm and a leg. Thank you for watching.